Hey, hey, hey! It's another mukbang kind of day. What? Is it just another day? Oh, yeah, that's all that it requires of me. Is to do just 2 mukbangs a day. That's right. You're watching my second channel, Healthy Mukbangs GP. I do a daily mukbang on my main channel, GP Does. I started this channel just because doing 2 mukbangs a day on my main channel was a bit much. I'm getting really excited for this weekend. I'm going to be making a lot of art. I like the process of creating. There's like a light filter that keeps popping up on the screen every once in a while. It's really weird. I need to get a new Fitbit. Because my fake Fitbit, I had to take off the strap. Here's half of it. Because it was giving me a rash. That sucked. I hate having rashes. I was getting a rash on this wrist. So I moved the Fitbit to this wrist. And I started getting a rash on my other wrist. I'm like, well, that was not the answer. Luckily, the rashes are kind of minor, and they've healed up. But in the meantime, I just haven't been, when I die and they lay me to rest, I'm gonna go to the place that's the best. When I lay me down to die, going up to the spirit in the sky. Going up to the spirit in the sky. It's where I'm gonna go when I die. When I die and they lay me to rest, I'm gonna go to the place that's the best. New invention, karaoke mukbang. Prepare yourself, you know it's a must. You gotta have a friend in Jesus. So you know that when you die, He's gonna recommend you to the spirit in the sky. When I go, spirit in the sky, that's where you're gonna go when you die. When you die and they lay you to rest, you're gonna go to the place that's the best. This is how I go to church. I usually listen to the real song and just sing along, but since we're on the show, might as well make it a karaoke show. Karaoke mukbang, anybody? Never been a sinner, I never sinned. I got a friend in Jesus, so that you know when I die, he's gonna recommend me to the spirit in the sky. Oh, he set me up to the spirit in the sky. That's where I'm gonna go when I die. And when I die and then lay me to rest, I'm gonna go to the place that's the best. And the place that's the best. Go to the place that's the best. Let's keep going to church. We gotta sit through the solo though. Oh man, that was epic. I love that solo at the end. I remember that. This is the only other really Jesus Heaven song that I just fucking love to death. Do 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 do. We got a backup. Do 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 do. Jesus is just alright with me. Jesus is just alright. Oh yeah. Jesus is just alright with me. Jesus is just alright. I don't care what they may say. I don't care what they may do. I don't care what they may say. Jesus is just alright. Jesus is just alright. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Set me into heaven. Jesus is just alright. Jesus is just alright. Jesus is just alright. So good. Whoa! I don't care what they may know. I don't care what they may go. I don't care what they may know. Jesus is just alright. Jesus friend. Ah, Jesus. Ah, he's my friend. He took me by the hand and let me far away from this land. Jesus, he's my friend. Jesus is just alright with me. Jesus is just alright. Oh yeah, banana. Jesus is just alright with me. Jesus is just alright. I don't care what they may say. I don't care what they may do. I eat a lot of food. Hard to perform. Well, one last song. We'll wrap it up. We probably won't even read to the end of the song. Thanks so much for watching. Karaoke and jam. Going to church with me. Don't you feel it growing day by day? People getting ready for the new. Some are happy. Some are saying, whoa, let the music play. What the people need is a way to make them smile. It ain't so hard to do if you know how. Gotta get a message, get on through. Well, music. Whoa, whoa. Listen to music. Whoa, whoa. Listen to music all the time. And a banana. Nice. I have a little Coke, I guess. I have it preloaded. Well, I know you better. Everything I see, meet me in the country for a day. We'll be happy and we'll dance. Oh, we're gonna dance the blues away. And if I'm feeling good to you and you're feeling good to me, there ain't nothing we can't do or say. Feeling good. Feeling fine. Whoa, baby, let the music play. All the time. The lazy flowing river, surrounded by castles in the sky. And the crowd is growing bigger. My audience, maybe? I don't know. Listening for them happy sounds. Gotta let them fly. Whoa, whoa. Listen to the music. Whoa, whoa. Listen to the music. Whoa, whoa. Listen to the music. All the time. Whoa, 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 whoa. Music. Whoa, whoa. Listen to the music. Whoa, whoa. Listen to the music all the time. I wonder why I'm not the lead singer of a band. Whoa, whoa. Listen to the music. Whoa, whoa. Listen to the music. That toke was so intense. Thank you so much for watching, man. It's been a great time. It's just been the greatest time. Thank you so much for mukbanging with me. I love you. I'll see you again tomorrow. Maybe see you tonight on my second channel. I love you.